Hey folks, had a very challenging situation today. I thought I'd come back here after all the holiday activities and just get on the TYM T4058P and backhoe and just enjoy myself and have a grand time digging up junk. So I picked out one of the least troublesome trees I thought was going to be less troublesome. It basically had, I don't know, 5 or 6 little small trees sticking up in a clump, you know. No problem. I'll dig a trench about 2 feet deep around the whole thing and then grab it with the bucket, flip it over and pull it out. Right? Wrong. Wrong. This was what was sticking out of the ground. These small little bitty 2 to 4 inch diameter trees. Not really good for anything. It's not good hardwood. It's a sort of a softwood. And I'm trying to clean out this area over here. This is a point that came to a point, and this bunch of garbage was standing at the edge of the point. Just a little bit too much for a bush hog to go across. So I decided to relax and have a great time digging it up. Well, when I got to the meat of the sandwich, I discovered a 14-inch diameter tree had been cut off back in 1990 when I had my land cleared off. That was the original cut. And all this was below ground. Brother and sister, you talking about deceptive. This rascal here yanked my chain today. I guess the moral to this story is if you think you're going to get into something easy, it may turn into be something drastic. So what I ended up doing is digging about an 8 foot to 10 foot diameter hole about 4 feet deep to get that out. The sun is setting. It's beautiful back here on the back of the Diamond H. But boy, am I tired. Thanks for watching. Y'all take care.